I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
I got a 45, I got a 200 Brand X. I got that MD, got that JD, got my V3s back there, Sundown.
Sure. Yeah, man, you got it looking good, man. Where can they find you at on social media? Anywhere?
NWA, Northwest Arkansas.
That's it, that's it. I had to get back over here and see y'all.
Yes, sir.
I had to do it again, man. I appreciate it, bro.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. First one up there.
Hey, you still rolling?
Yeah, it's still
Subscribe
rolling.
to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
I sure appreciate it, man. Tell
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.